show guys, welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, have you guys seen my birthday vlog? If nahi dekha, तो after watching this video you know what to do. So here I am with my new video about winter styling. Let's stay warm and stylish at the same time. So I love styling and I keep doing that on Instagram. So I'm hoping that you guys talk me well there as well. In today's video, all my outfits are going to be perfect for this chill weather. Though I know Bombay में इतना chill weather होता नहीं है, but I keep traveling here and there, and also for people who reside somewhere जहाँ पे proper winter होता है, I think these all are going to be super perfect for it and trendy at the same time. And yes, of course, I'll link down all the details in the description below. And if कुछ पुराना है and available नहीं है, so I'll make sure that I link something where you can find similar items at least. So yeah, keep watching this video and let's get started. Let me just grab this because I have a lot to show you guys, and आप लोग भी popcorn लेके बैठ जाओ because y'all can just enjoy watching this video. So yeah, for the look one, I have picked a satin dress, and which is in so much in trend right now. And to keep you warm, what's better than a trench coat? So this particular trench coat that I'm wearing is, I mean, has that checkered patched detailing on it, and I think it goes so well with the dress and all. And obviously you can keep it open or closed however you want. So I added some acrylic earrings and a white classic handbag which has this gold chain detailing on it, and you're good to go. So for the footwear, I have picked this open toe heels and mules, I can say. So I feel that they go perfectly with this outfit, and yeah, this outfit is like proper, as I said, stylish and warm at the same time. So yeah, and I feel this is like perfect for a club outing or club look, night outing or a club look. Then a ruku. Okay, on top. Look 2. Oh my god, knitted long dresses. I just love them. I feel they go perfectly with each body type. I mean, it flaunts your figure in such a beautiful way. So this particular dress that I'm wearing is more on the simpler side, but I like the olive color that it has, and it also has this nice cute hoodie. So I paired this with a printed scarf, and yeah, you guys must be knowing there are so many multiple ways you can wear a scarf, but I thought कि इसमें थोड़ा simpler way में बहुत ज़्यादा classy लगेगा. So that's what I have worn. And so this bag I recently got PR में, and I'm in love with it. So this bag you can wear it around your waist as a handbag, or you can also wear it as a sling. And in this one I've worn it as a sling because it looks beautiful that way. So yeah, also I was gonna wear boots with this look, but I think it didn't go well with it. But I thought कि ऐसे tied up heels बहुत ज़्यादा better लगेंगे, and yeah, it is looking much better than the boots that I actually tried on. So yeah, this look also is just so perfect and street style and airport and wherever you want to wear this. Just love it. I just broke my, oh my god. My just broke, like how I am broke. Anyway, let's jump on to look 3. So look 3, wow, I'm just in love with this look and love how it turned out. So this particular play suit, I have styled it and used it in so many multiple ways. I'm not even kidding, it's so versatile. So for this particular winter lookbook, I have worn it with a textured pants, and the color of the pants is so nice and so fresh, I feel. So these textured pants are from Zara, and I feel they are just perfect for some lunch or something like that. And to complete the look, I have added the statement earrings, and they look very beautiful. I feel this sort of earrings I've added in any outfit and they just look amazing. They make my whole look change. So it's just the little things that you can add and make your whole look stylish. Then I added a nice chotu sa bag, and yeah, I'm good to go. I love how this outfit has turned out. And also, if it's too cold, you can carry a jacket if you want. And yeah, let's jump on to look 4. But before that, let me just वो टूट गया, ये तो है मेरे पास. So this is a very easy breezy jumpsuit, and ये मैंने मेरे बर्थडे के नाइट पे भी पहना था. So I just love this jumpsuit because the color, the fitting, everything about this is just so perfect. And I added a nice thin belt on my waist to cinch it up, and also it gives a nice break to the whole look of the outfit. Then I've added this H&M के boots which I got during sale, and इसको मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा वसूल किया है. I mean बहुत ज़्यादा. And the main highlight of this outfit is the puffer jacket. So puffer jacket are also very much in, and they look so trendy. So this one is nice and cozy and warm, and I feel adding up the shades will completely just make my whole outfit top notch. So yeah, shades के बिना थोड़े incomplete लग रहा था मेरा look. I have added that, and yeah, this outfit is just perfect for you to go on a date or with friends or anywhere. Nice, stylish and cozy. Look number 5. I have literally worn this look like last year when I went on a Manali trip, and I still think that this is a really cute outfit and you guys can actually carry it. Okay, let me get serious. So this particular top which is like a teddy fabric, and it is so cute, like it looks super cute when you wear it and gives you that ultimate level of warmness, and it just looks बहुत प्यारा लगता है और बहुत मज़ा आता है वो पहनने में. And then to add the stylishness, I have worn this leather skirt. This color combo is a 10 on 10, like a 10 on 10. And yeah, I have added this cute hairband and nice pearl detailed neck piece to give that baby girl vibe. And these shoes, जो two-tone shoes I've worn, I feel they just look perfect with this outfit. And these sort of shoes are like so eye-catchy, I can say. I mean, they just look very unique and overall gives a nice twist to your whole look. And I added a nice chudza bag, and voila, good to go. People who follow me on Instagram must have seen this look already. So for the look number 6, I am in love with this look completely. So this checkered pants and knits, I feel goes so well with each other, and they are just like made for each other. Checks and knits are just made for each other. That's what I feel. So for this look, I have worn like nice checkered pants which I recently got, and I have clubbed it with a cute looking crop top, and I wore a sweatshirt and I wore it in a way which looks like an arm warmer. So yeah, this whole look, I'm in love with it, and the color coordination that goes so well, I just love it. Then I've added this beret cap, and the color tone of it also goes perfectly with my outfit. Then this nice chain which is hanging around my waist, and the boots and all of that. I just love this outfit. So I feel that this outfit is very, like very stylish and dope are the words for this outfit, this particular look. And I would actually like just roam around wearing this outfit. So yeah. So for my next look, I wanted to include loungewear as well, because I know आधे से ज़्यादा लोग घर पे पड़े रहते हैं. मना मत करना, मुझे पता है. So yes, for this look, I have worn a cords. So I'll tell you a story behind it. I mean, these are not cords. मैंने जो shorts है वो अलग से ली थी, and मैंने जो sweatshirt है वो अलग से लिया था. But coincidentally, they both are the same colors and they look like cords, and they are also like a perfect match. So yes, to give that nice stylish twist, I have added a nice lace bralette. And pro tip, that bralette, which is a contrast color or a opposite color, however, it looks really sexy if you wear it with a sweatshirt, and that's what I have done. Then I've added my socks which says keep it simple, and that's what I'm going to do for this outfit. So like this outfit is proper if I go at my friend's place to do nothing. We just both gonna sit down and do nothing. But yeah, I look cute and and cutely comfortable. So yeah, this is that particular outfit which you can just stay home and have your me time, or go at your friend's place to do nothing, like me. So look number 8, I have named this look as a bubblegum boss babe look. Why? Because this look has a nice cute pastel pink crop top with a nice knee length knitted skirt. So yes, and then I added this nice then I added my favorite piece of jewelry, which again I wear with almost everything. मतलब मैं नीचे भी उतरती हूँ तो मुझे वो बस वो अच्छा लगता है, because that is like a statement chain which goes on everything and makes your outfit stand out in a way. So yes, then I added this cool blue blazer, and I feel that winters may without blazer is just incomplete, so like blazer has to be there in your winter looks. That's what I feel. So yes, that's what the look is about, and to keep in that bubblegum boss babe vibe, I have added this again pink tone bag, which looks very pastely, and yeah, this particular look is very different from the other regular looks. So yeah, you can carry this with confidence. I can take you to the candy shop. So last but not the least, look number 9. I have went all neutral for this look, and beige on beige. They look amazing. Of course, one of your looks can be neutral, itna colors, and then obviously you can balance it out one of your days. So yes, if you're in the mood of neutrals, you can go for neutrals. And then I added this nice high knee boots. So I feel high knee boots are like a must have in your winter wardrobe, because if I say my example, I have literally worn this boots with jeans, with skirt, with shorts, with dresses, with everything. So they are like a perfect must have in your wardrobe. And of course, do you think I was gonna keep it all neutral? No way. I added a pop of color. I added this nice red woolen scarf which I got from Amazon when I was going to Manali, but मैं मनाली में पहन नहीं सकी थी because मेरे पास दिन नहीं थे. Outfit बहुत थे but दिन नहीं थे. So yes, I added this woolen scarf that goes well with it, and nice glares, undertone bag, and this is also another perfect look for your winter. So yeah, these were all my quick and moment winter looks that you guys can actually carry. And if you guys try these styles, do let me know, do send me pictures. I would love to see them, and comment and let me know which one is your favorite look, because I enjoyed wearing all of them. And yeah, also if you have any video demands that particular topic where I should make a video, do let me know in the comments and I will consider it. So yes, your screen time ends now. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember that I love you guys.